Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Steph and I do everything makeup related. I'm really hoping that the lighting isn't too bad on this. I'm trying to get it done before all the outside light disappears. In today's video I'm going to be going through and showing you what is in September's Glossybox. This is my first Glossybox that, ooh, it's upside down. The first Glossybox that I've actually received and had. I've seen these for quite a while. They've been around for obviously for quite some time now, and I've seen a lot of other YouTubers, beauty gurus, etc. Review these boxes, and I think that they're really good. It is like getting a little present in the box every month. Basically, they're a subscription box that you go online, go onto Glossybox, and I think it's something like £11 something a month. I'm sure it is £11 something a month, and then they have a mix of skincare and I believe makeup products as well. And you just get a little mix in the box each month, and yeah, I think it's just fun. So I'm going to unbox this one and see what's inside it and see what you think and if it's something that you might be interested in. I will try and link it down below for you. And let's stop rambling and just get on with it. So when you open the box, it comes wrapped up like this, which I think is really sweet. I love the packaging. I love when they put a little bit of effort in, and also if you wanted to, you could keep these shoe boxes. I might keep these for putting makeup in, actually, like as drawer slots, because they're really pretty. I have already opened this because I'm impatient and I couldn't wait. So you did have a chocolate come with it, which was really nice, a lovely little Lindt chocolate, but that's gone. So open it up, and these are the products that are inside of it. So the first one that you get is this, which is a, ooh, let's hope the light's not just shining on it funny. So this is the Foam Burst Bursting with Fragrance Luxury Gel Foam Body Wash. It's not a bad size little can, so that'll be nice, isn't it? Oh, it smells. I feel like I could go like this. Does it smell nice? It'd be good if you had like you know, something you could smell it with. But that's the first one you get. Then there is Intensive Skin Therapy, dermatologically approved, smooth skin. This is quite a little bottle. I can't remember. I'm sure they used to come. The ones I saw came with like a little list showing you the actual prices of things, but it didn't actually come with one of those. So I'll have to have a look and see what the actual prices of everything are to make sure that, you know, you are getting your money's worth, which I think you are really. And there have been some really nice stuff in some of the boxes. So that's that one. It's 30ml, and I can imagine that you don't need a lot of this either. What I am going to be doing, if you would like me to, is I'll use these products, and then I'll let you know it over on my Instagram. I'll leave links to those down below, on somewhere on here for you, and let you know what I think of these and if they actually do the job. So that's that one. And then there is a little Wishful Yo Glow. Whoa, it's bright. It's better back here. I'm not entirely sure what this is. Enzyme Scrub. So it is a scrub. Oh, it smells really nice. I was going to say it smells yellow, which sounds ridiculous, but it smells how I expected it to smell from the colour of the tub. Does anybody know what I mean? If anyone knows what I mean, please, you know, let me know I'm not the only one who's feeling like they're going insane. That smells really nice. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to using that one. The next one is a hydronic Vitamin C Moisturizer, I believe. Here. Ooh. I'll write everything down in the comments section as well, so you can see it, because I can't really get it to focus. There we go. Is that a bit better? I believe this is a moisturizer. I have opened this up once already. Like I said, it's not really got any smell to it. It feels really nice. Apply in the morning and evening after cleansing, and apply your serum. So after I've taken all my makeup off and everything, I will apply this and see what difference it makes. Then the last one, which I'm actually really looking forward to using, is a coffee scrub. I've never actually seen a coffee scrub before, and basically just use it in the shower. It just says hop into the shower and buff this revitalising scrub in circular motions over the entire body. So it'll be interesting to see what this is like. Like I said, I will be popping things on my Instagram to let you know how I got on with them, and perhaps before next month's video on next month's box and what's inside next month's box, I will let you know how I got on with the products from this month. Hope that makes sense. So just a quick little video just to show you the things that I got inside my Glossybox. I think these are really good, and they're really nice to have. If you can afford the £11 a month, then yeah, they're just nice to appear in the post. They come at the beginning of each month. They're really nicely packaged, and I'm excited to see what comes over the next few ones. So, and that's it. That's everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Why not? And I will see you guys in my next one.